What's up guys, my name is Jen Neal from Resin Inspired, and today's video, I actually did it over the summer and I had totally forgotten about it until recently. It started off as a bloom and then I changed my mind at the last minute and did a Dutch pour. So this was the leftover paint from my Snapdragons tutorial. If you haven't seen that, I'll post a link in the upper right hand corner. But this is when I started to mess around with the Minwax for my blooms. And I know a lot of people are starting to use that in the cell activator for it. So I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about it because I've done quite a bit of research trying to figure out what ingredient is causing the cell reaction to the way it is. And I believe I have it pinned down to, it's called aliphatic hydrocarbon compounds, which is also a form of petroleum oil. And for those of you who don't know, I mean, it's in a lot of stuff. It is toxic. The safety data sheets that I have read, ultimately, just be smart about it. I mean, so is resin. They're even saying polyacrylic is, by Minwax, is even toxic now. So, you know, the last thing I want to hear is you guys, you know, anything happen to you or your family or your animals or anything. Even though the amounts we use are extremely minimal, I still can't stress enough to like wear a respirator or proper ventilation. And so yeah, I'm getting ready to roll out some more bloom tutorials for everyone. Now that I've teamed up with Craftnique, it's just an awesome product line. I hope you'll check it out. There's some coupon codes in the description. And if you have any questions, you can always send me a message or comment or whatnot. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video and let's get started. Thanks for watching. So I'm going to go straight down like that. Yeah, straight. That wasn't straight. Are you serious, Jen? Okay. Alright, so I'm going to pause you guys while I fiddle with this so I'm not wasting your time. And, because I know a lot of you guys come in like I've heard somebody call it beast mode. And they just roll through the video, and I do the same thing. When somebody starts spreading out paint, bye. I'm fast forwarding you. You know, who really wants to watch that? So I'm gonna pause you and I'll be right back. Okay, so done deal. Black and white. And I also have this on a TV monitor stand so it can rotate. I'm going to put the pink down first. So, I'm going to do a puddle of pink, just like that. Actually, over here, we're going to do black. Maybe just a tad more of that pink over here. Orange, and black, like that. Whoa, good job, Jen. Ugh. We are done. Before I get all crazy with the paint. Okay. I'm going to turn it like that. I don't want to use a blow dryer so bad. No, I'm not going to do it. Not this time. Oh, shit. Sorry. I have this tiny bit of purple. Let's use it, shall we? Whoa. There's No, we're using the blow dryer. I have to see what it does. Cross your fingers. Here we go. It's like a troll. Oh my gosh. He's got 2 eyes. Ah! That is so awesome. Wait a minute. I just have to get a photo of this. I'm sorry, you guys. This is just insane. I got it out of my system. All done. Hi, troll. Now, this is where I'll bust out the straw. Some gold. Black going this way. White going this way. My base layer was way too thick, so I kind of really did myself in on that one, but nevertheless, we'll get through it. I like it, I think, just the way it is. I'm going to blow out this corner here. I promise you next time I will use my other tripod. I didn't think it was going to give me this big of a hard time. Close up a little. And there you have it. Hey guys, I hope you liked today's video. If you haven't already, click the circle resin inspire button to subscribe to my channel. If you ring the bell, you'll be notified instantly of any future uploads. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.